make 50,000 naira daily leveraging on just your smartphone and the internet with these 5 amazing business ideas I'm going to be sharing with you right here in this video today. So make sure that you stick around to the end of this video so that you'll be able to grab all of these business ideas. Some people still do not know that they can actually make as much as that leveraging on just their smartphone and of course internet connection. Anyways, that is the reason why I decided that I'm just going to make this video to teach you and to show you 5 amazing businesses that you can actually do leveraging on just your smartphone in one small corner of your house, and you'll be making nothing less than 50,000 naira every day. Some of these businesses, I myself, I have tried it, and so this is something that actually works. So make sure, like I said earlier, pay very close attention. Anyways, before I proceed, let me first of all introduce myself for the sake of those seeing me for the very first time. My name is Mandy Rachel Okwiligi. I am a digital marketing consultant, and right here on my YouTube channel I share tips with you on how you can actually leverage on your smartphone to make money online. So make sure that you tap on that subscribe button right now to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to tap on the bell icon right beside it to turn on post notifications for all of my posts, so that when I drop new videos, of course, you're going to be the first to know about that new video. Finally, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, because if you like this video, it will give me courage to actually, do more. There are more than 5, but right here in this video, I will just share 5 first of all, so that you can run with that. So make sure you like this video, and also by liking this video, you're also going to be pushing this video to more people like you looking for ways to make money online, but they don't even know how to. So please pay it forward and making sure that you like this video. Finally, guys, if you have any questions at any point in this video, any question pops into your mind, feel free to drop them under the comments. Also, if you gained value from this video, feel free to drop those comments right under this video as well. And also, do not forget to share this video to your friends, maybe to your WhatsApp status, to your social media. Feel free to share this video so that more people can get to see this video and learn about how they can actually leverage on just their smartphone and internet connection to make money for themselves online every blessed day. So guys, let us get right into the business of the day, which is making 50,000 naira daily with just your phone and internet connection. I must first of all say the same. You can actually make more than 50,000 naira with all of these business ideas I'm about to share with you in this video. And there are some days that you might not make up to 50,000 naira. But the whole idea of this whole thing is to let you know that making money daily on the internet is very possible. And if you've not yet started making money every day on the internet with your smartphone, especially if you are using a phone that is above 100k, I think you need to put that phone into good and start using that phone to make money for yourself. So guys, let us get right into the business of the day. I need to also let you know that I have a gift for you, so make sure you are paying very close attention in this video, because I have a cash giveaway buried somewhere in between this video. So make sure you pay very close attention. Your attention tentacles, and let it be high up there so that you will not miss it when the giveaway offer comes up. Okay, also I'm going to be giving you ideas on how you can actually market this. So it's not a case of me just giving you the business idea. The number one business is selling cake online, leveraging on your smartphone and internet. Guys, the thing is this: across the world, people celebrate their birthday every blessed day. Not thousands of people, millions of people celebrate their birthday every blessed day. So all you have to really do is this: partner with somebody that is a very good baker. Just market the cake for them, add your own profits to that cake, and then you are good to go. So depending on the other add-on services that you want to add to this thing, maybe it will come with a customized card, maybe it will be a surprise. You can deliver surprise cake to your loved one on their birthday. However you want to package this cake business, see, just package it, add your profit to it. You can add like 5,000 naira, 10,000 naira profit, like I said, depending on the add-on advantages you want to add to your own service, and also depending on the kind of clients that you want to serve with this particular cake business that you want to do. You can easily make this 50,000 naira every day. And how do you do this, guys? Set up a Facebook campaign and then partner with people that are selling cake, like I said. Or another thing you can do is this: many supermarkets these days, they sell cakes. If you go to Food Co, there's cake there. There are so many supermarkets, so many cake brands, I don't want to mention their name, that sells ready-made cake. All you have to do is Once you get an order, get these ready-made cakes, customize them to your taste, add your add-on incentives to it, deliver it to the client, and then you've made your money. So how do you get clients to actually buy this cake from you? Use like 5,000 naira to set up a Facebook campaign and target people that are celebrating birthdays with this range. Take for example, now this is February. We can say that, okay, people celebrating birthday from February 1 to February 30. Those are the people that, from February 1 to February 28. Sorry, there's nothing like February 30. Those are the people that you want to target with your Facebook ad campaign. Just set the campaign, set the ad, be creative with your ad, and you'll be surprised. As a matter of fact, it's not that you'll be surprised. You would actually see people order for these cakes, like I said, depending on your add-on incentives. And once they pay, you simply take from the money that they've paid you to go and do what? To go and organize everything, deliver it to them, and then you keep your profits. If you put a profit of 10,000 naira per service, do you know what that is? You only need 5 orders in a day to make 10,000 naira. Easy peasy, right? So that is business idea number 1 that you can bank on. And another thing, if you want to maybe learn how to bake the cake by yourself, you don't want to partner with other people, you want it to be easy because maybe you want to avoid disappointments and all of that, you can actually learn baking. There's a course that I'm going to recommend to you. It's going to teach you how to bake in less than a month. Yes, bake like a pro in less than a month. I'm going to link the course in the description of this video. So if you are interested in checking out that course that will teach you how to bake like a pro in the comfort of your home, you don't even need to step out. You're going to be watching all the trainings and everything, there's support group and everything. Just check out the description of this video. You would find the link to that training right there, and then you can learn how to bake the cake by yourself. Because if this is something that you want to do aside from being a side hustle, you still want to expand it, learning how to actually bake on your own will actually be an extra advantage for you. So you might want to check out the training. I'm going to link it right in the description of this video. So that is business idea number 1. Now for the idea number 2. Number 2 is international passport registration. I know it sounds weird, like how can we make money with this? But guys, people are making money big time with this business. I remember when I went to do my passport registration, guys, if you see the way these guys are making money, do you know that normal when you want to register for international passport in Nigeria, it is a very big stress. And recently, I saw some people running sponsored adverts on Instagram, advertising they are going to do your international passport for you. And these guys charge from 70,000 naira and above, depending on what you want to. On maybe you want to fast track it or you don't want to fast track it. See, guys, this is Nigeria. I know it sounds like, how can people turn this thing into a business? But if you've ever try to do your international passport by yourself, you will actually know the stress involved in doing this thing yourself. So if you have the extra money to pay people to do it for you, why not? And some people are actually doing this as a business. The government charges 25,000 naira only to register for international passport. And imagine, you can actually make nothing less than 10,000 naira per person to do an international passport for them. And you only need 5 clients, like I said, to, make your 50,000 naira in a day. And you can also do this by setting up Facebook advertising, Instagram advertising, set up a dedicated page for it on Instagram or Facebook, and run this as a service. And please be honest and be sincere. Please be honest and be sincere, because if you set things like this up with the intent of scamming people and they catch you, anyways, guys, that is business idea number 2. I hope that you find it helpful and you can leverage on it. Guys doing out there and hustling with it and making good and cool money with it. I feel it's something that you can actually do if you want to do it. Okay, so please before you come for me in the comment section, please understand where this is coming from. Now guys, let's move on to business idea number 3. Business idea number 3 is video and photo editing services, or let's say graphic design services. There was a time I used to offer this as a service, and for me to edit one picture for you, I'll charge you 5,000 naira. For me to edit one video for you, I'll charge you 10,000 naira. That was back then. And guys, guess what I used to do all of these things? I used just my mobile phone. So all you really have to do, learn video editing, photo editing. If you don't know how to edit pictures and videos with your phone, you can get my mobile phone photography and videography training. I'm also going to link it right under in the description of this video, so you can check it out and get the training. So the world has gone digital, and there are so many businesses online these days, and so many business owners still don't know how to edit pictures. So many business owners still don't know how to edit videos. Some people even know how to edit pictures and videos, but they don't have time. Okay, so you are exchanging your time this time around. So you can charge them to edit their pictures for them, to edit their videos for them, and to do graphics design for them. And one good thing about this business idea is the fact that by the time you also for your first set of clients, if you give them a very good service, they can be returning clients. Are you seeing it here? They can be returning clients, and that way you have a line of consistent loyal customers. They just sending you videos. Yeah, edit this over me and just wire the money to your account. And see, you just need like 10 loyal customers for the month, and you're good to go, because they will always edit more than one. Yes, they will edit more than one, because one video is not enough, one picture is not enough, one graphic design flyer is not enough to advertise their business. So just give them good service, and you know what? They are recurring customers for life. So that is business idea number 3. Now, guys, let's move to business idea number 4. Business idea number 4, guys, is sales funnel building. I know this one might sound like a bit high hope there, but those that understand what sales funnel is, do you know that you can actually offer this as a service to people and charge money for it? As a matter of fact, with sales funnel building, depending on the kind of clients that you want to serve, you only need like 2 to 3 clients to make your 50 or 60k in a day. So if you know how to build sales funnel, you know how to build sales funnel. I shouldn't be explaining some other things to you, because I believe that you should understand some things. Start looking at it as a service, because so many people are out there, they don't know how to build sales funnel. So many people are out there, they don't have time. They don't have time. They don't have, see, when they say time is money, this is what we mean. Time is money. Look at what POS agents are doing in Nigeria right now. They are charging so much charges for them to give you cash. Why do you think they are charging so much? It is because they are charging you for the time. You don't have time to go to ATM. You don't have time to go to bank to queue for long hours. And they have the time to actually go to bank, go to ATM, or go to wherever they are getting the money from to order the money out, and then they hand it to you easily. So their charges they are charging you is for their time. Simple, easy peasy. So exchange your time for money and start building sales funnels for people. I actually have a friend that does this as a service, and guys, is making good money from it. If you're a digital marketer, you can build sales funnel. Like, you can even build sales funnel in your sleep. Why are you stressing yourself? Offer this as a service. Package yourself, brand yourself well. Offer it as a service. Run Instagram ads, Facebook ads to this your service, and you'll be shocked at how much money you're going to be making for yourself daily. And the good thing about this business, of course, is you can get recurring clients with this service, because once you built one sales funnel and it worked, you want to build another one, they just know that you're the go-to guy, you're the go-to girl, you're the go-to person for anything funnel for their business. So guys, don't sleep on this business idea. Now, the business idea number 5, I know you can't wait to hear this business idea, but before I unveil it to you, I hope that you have liked this video. Yes, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up right now. Like this video if you're yet to do so. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel. If you've not yet subscribed at this point, it is very, very wrong. Tap on that subscribe button right now. Subscribe to my channel. Tap on the bell icon right beside it, and make sure you turn on post notifications for all my posts. If you are currently enjoying this video and you're getting value, do not forget to let me know how you're feeling in the comment section. So please, guys, drop your comments. I would love to, read from you. And finally, don't forget to share this video. Yes, share it so that more people get to see it, and they get to also gain value from this, and bless somebody else with this content so that they get to also start making money for themselves, leveraging on just their smartphone and of course the internet. So guys, let us move on to the next one, the final one actually, which is the 5th business idea that I'm going to share with you that will help you make this money easily, is of course affiliate marketing. See, if you are a beginner looking for ways to leverage on the internet to make money, you have no experience, no nothing, affiliate marketing is the best place for you to start from. With affiliate marketing, all you really have to do, leverage on other people's products. You don't have to create a product. You don't have to worry about logistics. You don't have to worry about so many things. All you have to do is just sell other people's products and then make money from it. That is really what I do full time. and I make money selling other people's products. You can see how much I have made from just one platform doing affiliate marketing. So if you know you want to leverage on affiliate marketing, it's a very good business. This is something that can pay you with just 2 sales. You've made your 50,000 naira. Take for instance, you sell a product that is 60,000 naira and gives a 50% commission. That means you've made 30,000 naira. You only need 2 sales, right? And then you've made 60,000 naira. So guys, think about, now, if you are wondering how can you be massively successful with affiliate marketing, because guys, let me tell you something. It is one thing to have an affiliate account. It is one thing to have an affiliate link. I mean, considering the fact that there are so many affiliate platforms these days that you don't even need to pay a registration fee. You can just really go to the affiliate marketing platform, create your account, and then that is it. But then after creating the account, what next? So many people are out there, they have affiliate links, they have affiliate accounts, but they are not making money. And that is because they don't even know how to go about making money with affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is different because you can decide to say, okay, let me just get my affiliate link, set up Facebook ads, and then maybe you start making money just like that. No, it doesn't work like that. There are steps that you have to follow. There are procedures that you have to follow. And if you follow them, I tell you, you're going to be smiling in the bank every blessed day. In one small corner of your room, just pressing your phone, and then you're making money. There's a course I'm going to also recommend to you. If you are interested, check it. It is linked in the description of this video. Also, there's a video up here, this particular video here that I'm pointing out right here. You should watch that video. I actually did more expository explanation on affiliate marketing in this video. So if affiliate marketing is the business model that you're interested in, you should watch that video so that you'll be able to gain more insight. And if you watch that video till the end immediately, that is, if you follow that video right now, to go watch it right now, you can also be part of those that will be getting my 5,000 naira cash gift bonus. Remember, I said it earlier that I'm going to be doing a cash gift giveaway. Yes, this is the part where you're going to get that cash gift. I have 5,000 naira cash bonus for you. If you want to get that 5,000 naira, go and watch this video that I'm pointing out right here. Go and watch the video so that you would know how to actually get your hands on that 5,000 naira cash. So guys, that will be all for this video. I hope that you gained value. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you know you got value, please let me know in the comment section of this video. And which of these businesses will you be trying out? Let me know in the comment section as well. I'd love to hear from you. And do you want me to do a part 2 of this video? Let me also know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching up until this point. If you've not yet subscribed at this point, it is very wrong. Please tap on that subscribe button right now. Subscribe to my channel. Tap on the bell icon right beside it to turn on post notifications for all posts, so that when I drop new videos, of course, you're going to be the first to know. Finally, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and then I'll see you in my next video.